Hello, crafters. This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and we are on December 23rd, day 23, one day before the end of the Advent Calendar reveal and card share and some tutorials here and there and all the fun and excitement. Oh gosh, yeah, I know. It's just like a bittersweet end, but let's go right into it. Let's open up and reveal what December 23rd have in store. On the 23rd day of December, my true love gave to me something pretty. Crafters, it's a die set. Let's take a closer look. Okay, crafters, you know I'm excited about this one, right? So now we have thank you with the sentiment die and the shadow. Love. This is reminiscent of another favorite, Happy Birthday. So we have the Happy Birthday set, the die and shadow, and now thank you, die and shadow. Let me give you a quick measurement on this beauty. 1 by 2 1/8. I have been using the Happy Birthday on the inside of cards, so definitely I can use the thank you as well. Perfect sizing, not too big, not too small, just right. Alrighty, crafters, let's get started. Okay, crafters, I wanted to say something real quick before I start. I just noticed it at scrapbook.com. They have a 10% discount going on. Put the word Merry in your cart. That can apply to die cutting machines, etc. Also, though, guess what's in stock? Maybe you want to treat yourself to the black Tool-in-One. This is in stock now. When I had linked it the other day, it was coming soon. Well, it's there now. So you might want to check this cutie out too. Add to your stash. Alrighty, now let's get into the video. Okay, crafters, here is December 23rd, a spring slimline card. I made the effort to slow down on the browns, not be so dark like yesterday's card with the black in the Christmas card. It's now like a spring thank you card. And in this card, I have 4 Advent days plus the awesome thank you. This thank you is so pretty. I love it. All right, crafters, I had to get a few things out to show you. This thank you, so pretty, is the same font as the Happy Birthday. The Happy Birthday, I think, is from day 4. But here on this card, which is from December 10th, did you notice here I used the thanks in a larger size? And this one is from Spellbinders Outline Sentiments. Love this die set. This is a Spellbinders die of the month. That means that you can only purchase this at Spellbinders. They still have it in stock. This is a great die set. If you wanted to have thank you in the smaller size, if you have the Advent Calendar and the larger scale. I like both. Both apply to different things. See here on a slimline, it's working. It's thank you. There's no S on it like thanks, like over here. Okay. But this now you can just take your scissors and clip it too if you wanted to do thank you. See how it says thanks and then the U, so you could do the same thank you here as well. It's not a capital Y, but still would look fabulous on either card. So I just wanted to show you the trip down memory lane because in here, I did that, and I purposely did that. I was in that shaker mood because we just did the shaker yesterday, so a little bit of the 22nd is coming into play as well. And I did a 3-step shaker, but I noticed that I did not go back into one of my favorite dies from the Advent Calendar, Day 17's the mini essential arches. All right, let me tell you what's on the card front first before I go into how I made the shaker. That's the best way to do it. I wanted to have some embossing here. So what I did was pull out one of my favorite embossing folders. That one is the 3D embossing folder, the Flower Frenzy. Love this. You'd need a universal plate system to emboss this. Love this embossing folder. Here it is on white cardstock. Here it is on cream cardstock. Would be great on Valentine's cards, Mother's Day, birthdays, all year round. Beautiful embossing folder. I did the embossing folder. Then the florals. That's why I'm keeping this here also. So not only do we have the same font for the sentiment, we also have December 10. So now here is just one of the little buds. I just wanted to show you one of them left because I can show you how, look how just by changing it, how the colorway changes. I love, I'm telling you, this little sprig. Look at that. The centers, that's also from December 10. This little December 10 die set, so wonderful. So here, that's the center for the big flower. That center I used here, and then I put the fashion gold pearls from Spellbinders here in the center of the small one. And then here, I didn't put anything on it. I just pretty much left the die, and I used a lot of Spellbinders brush gold cardstock. I tell you, this brush gold, don't think of it for only Christmas. It can translate all year round but this little die set here is certainly holding her own. And when you need that little corner, she can fill in. I love it. I love it here, and I brought it back again here, and different colorways, and it looks different from here than there. Fabulous. Some of you may be looking at it going, it's just a floral die set. Yeah, but it's a complete floral die set, which was part of the Advent. And so why not maximize it if you have it, right? Love, 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 love. So there I did the little tucking of the little leaves, did the buds, did all this little collage. Now let's talk about how I achieved this now. So here is, and I didn't use the biggest one, the mini essential arches. Took this sheet of cream cardstock. What you're seeing layered up here is the postage edge slimlines die. So on the bottom, that's here. And then the second piece with that great dot detail, that's here. So I cut the panel out with that second die. And then what I did, line these up as strategic points. And I went like different sizes to represent windows, like so, and then run that through. Then I took the die. It took me a little while to work this one, but I was having fun doing it. And I did this, doubled them up, and then made the frame and inlaid that back in brush gold cardstock. Yes. So I could have left the window with just the edge, but it needed a finish, and these fit right back in that area, all three sizes. So cute. And then there goes the shaky shake. What you're seeing here is like a cream butternut yellow glitter cardstock from December 9. I still have confetti. Some sequins, and look how much I still have left. And how many times have I used this thing? I think I've used this thing now maybe 3-4 times, and I still have more left. So there is day 9. And then I also used some other shaker bits from my stash. After I did cut out those 3 arch shapes, then I put it in the embossing folder and run it through my Platinum 6 die cut machine with the universal plate system. Then flipped it over and did all of, if you wanted to see how I do a shaker, you can watch yesterday's video, which was the 22nd. Took the same scrapbook.com 1/4-inch roll. Just this time it was easy because I just did a full run. Then I ran some bars across here and then fill in the spots. And that's it. Shaker goodness. Popped up, and then I did all my little florals here, and then put the thank you. On the inside, I did day 13, thank you, because you're awesome, stamped it there. And to finish it off, I just put a little bit of gold mixed gems. And if you notice of late too, I've been enjoying my small gems. I thought the big ones would have been too much on a card with a panel this slim with so much going on. So I did put a little bit of the gems, but not crazy because, you know, still want to enjoy the shaky shake, but didn't want to have something super bold going on. That is it for December 23rd. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching these videos, for commenting, for hopefully being inspired to take out your Advent set and just play. Because this started out with just play. At first it was going to be an A2 card, and then I thought, I think I want to do a slimline. And I think it was the sizing of this being that narrow that influenced over here. I was going from this one right into this one. Alrighty, crafters. Tomorrow is the last day of the Advent calendar. Until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.